Hello children, we have just seen each other for our jolly phonics lesson and it was again a great lesson. I want to tell you something. I'm really proud of you because now during our lessons you are very good students, like when we were in class. You listen, you speak, you raise your hand, you wait when someone else is speaking. And when you don't understand, you say, please, can I have your help? Very good. I'm really proud of you. Now, let's go and see together again what we have seen during our lesson. We have done the new sound. Shh. This is the sound. This is the action, shh, and this is the sound. Again, it's a sound with two letters. Two letters, one sound. Okay? Let's go and listen to the song again together.
Hush, 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 don't make a sound. Be as quiet as you can be. The baby's asleep and I'm tired out. Shh, 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 shh.
I love this song. I love all the songs from Jolly Phonics, and I'm sure that you do too. After the song, it's time to have a look at the book again together. Page 33. Action, sound, drawing, can you color that? And write the sounds. We write the new sound on the first line and we revise the old sounds on the second line. Let's read the old sounds together. V, U, Y, X, Ch, and you write it by yourself here. Then we have done the activity here of crossing out the drawing without the sound. Sh. Fish, sheep, shell, teddy bear. We found very fast the drawing to cross out, and it is the teddy bear. I like this activity and you are very good now with this activity. So then we read together the words. Let's read them again together. Shop, fish, sheep and brush. Can you see that this is only one sound because we have only one dot here? You remember I told you one dot for each sound, un puntino sotto ogni suono, ed ecco qui abbiamo un puntino solo perché questo è un suono unico. Ok? Very good. After the book, we have done the sound book. We have written the sound in the middle of the page, and we have said many words. You are very good. You found so many words. I'm really proud and happy about that. Let's see together the words that you have said. Sheep, shark, fish, shopping, show, shower, ship, shop, and wish. We said other words, but we didn't write them. We said mushrooms. We said short. We said shampoo. And we said push. Right? If you know other words, you can write the other words that you know, of course. And don't forget the drawings. When you have finished the page, remember to take a picture and send it to me. If you want, of course, as usual, you can send me a video singing the song. Or you can read the words for me. Or you can send me a video message saying something, whatever you want to, because I'm always happy to receive your messages and I will always reply to them with my video. Okay, children, now enjoy the weekend with your family. Have fun, play, have some rest, and I see you next week on Monday for our science lesson and on Thursday for our English lesson. Bye-bye, children.